All right, guys, Greg here. I wanted to go over Bitcoin. I did a video yesterday to tell you guys what I think is going on, but I did a video yesterday on how the traders were saying this was a five-wave impulse down right in this area where I have labeled W, the X wave. This was a five-wave impulse down. Well, I was saying that it wasn't, and this move confirmed that I was right. So these are still, in my opinion, we're still in a WX waves or WXY waves. We're doing a corrective move to the upside, and I wasn't surprised to see this move up because I still have a target on Bitcoin to go up to about 44,000, between 44,300 or no 43,900 and as high as 44,600. I think that's where it's going to move to. It could go higher than that. I'll show you some things that may happen if it does go higher than that. So I'm not really too sure. I have to see how this move will play out. There's a possibility this was a X-wave connector and then it's going up to make another lower sequence WXY wave to complete all that right there. And then at that point, if it stops right here, there could be a reversal, and that will be the dump. So I'm letting what I'm doing right now. I'm not in the market. I'm not trading this. This is very these types of waves are very unpredictable. Maybe if it goes high like it did, that you could short it. I still think that that's too unpredictable for me. So I'm staying out of the Bitcoin. I'm waiting for it to do a top up here and then a reversal going into the low for the cycle, what's called the 60-day cycle. You guys know that Charlie follows going down like that. So to just go over the 60-day cycle and what I think is going on and what's going to be said once it comes around is I think possibly, if you want to take a look at that, the low, there was a 60-day cycle low over here. I am thinking that there's possibly right around this area at about 50 days. You can see my green mark there, and then we'll come up for a high in this area. So this will be the 60-day cycle low. It started a new one. It'll come up for a high. Whether it stops there, I don't know. It could keep going higher and then it come high and then back down to a low, because this is a corrective wave move up. Here's the trend line. I have a trend line from here to here. I think it's going to go in that area and probably go near that trend line and then make its move back down. That's just my guess. It's just my opinion. I could be completely wrong, but that's what I think is going on. So what's going to happen if it starts breaking these levels? What will happen with Bitcoin if it starts breaking these levels? Because what I have, sorry for the, I got a bunch of lines on here. It's probably confusing some people. So I have, this is a five-wave impulse down for an A. So the X wave is over here at the 10th of February, where it hit that high of 45,911, 45,000, almost 46,000 for a five-wave impulse down in an A, and this is a B. If it breaks that level and doesn't break the X wave level, the B will go over here, and then it'll be a five-wave impulse down. That's what I think is going to happen. If it goes up above this level, what will happen, guys, is that this X wave will just move over here, and that just delays everything for this sequence down, because I still believe that these are corrective moves to the upside. They look impulsive, but they're corrective moves. So the X wave will go over here. Where will this X wave end? Who knows? This X wave can go over here, up here, like this. So these, I mentioned in previous videos, these X waves can take some time. So I'm actually hoping that it doesn't break that, because now it's just delaying, in my opinion, the inevitable for the swing back down to come back down and take out the low over here of the 32.8 and maybe land at 30,000, maybe 29,000. There's some other pretty reputable Elliott wave folks that are saying it's going to 25. Mine are conservative. I think 28, 29. And this down here will be the dip opportunity. If it goes to 25, that will still be a dip opportunity. And if I see Bitcoin go down to, say, below 25, there will be opportunities to buy Bitcoin. I'll actually be buying Bitcoin at those levels. That, in my opinion, is a really good price. So let's go back in a little bit closer to on the 1 hour chart to see what's going on in this area, guys. So it did a pretty good pump last night. I wasn't surprised to see that. How this is going to play out, I have no idea. But right now I have it labeled as a three-way move to the upside. If the see, it's got a this right here, this area, it's got to get above that W for me to consider that would be a halfway decent five-way move, and then maybe another five-way move up. But it's not moving like an impulse. When you guys see impulses move on the charts, they don't really move like this, like how these are moving. They're very unpredictable. All right, guys, that's the end of my Bitcoin video. I tell you, I'm still looking for it to get into the 44,000 range, but stay below 46. There is a possibility it will go up above that, which will delay the inevitable, move the X wave over there, and then eventually Bitcoin will swing back down. And when Bitcoin swings back down, it's going to bring Ethereum and all the alts with it. So if you are in coins right now that you bought down here, you want to be sure, and I could be wrong, but if it was me, I'm just saying, if it was me, if you're down here and you're riding coins up on this, that was a very good move. I'll give you credit there, but you want to probably start thinking about risk mitigation in this area, because there's no idea how high this could go. It could go up to 50,000. I have no idea. My prediction is this area, this is the first step. See what goes on. It might pop up above this 45,900 trend line, and that changes the outlook of everything. All right, guys, thanks for watching my video. Peace.